To my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream. So go ahead. Wait, that's my husband Aaron, and he's going to be showing you how to make ice cream. Okay, go ahead.
First you add 2 cups of sugar, or all the dry ingredients, a couple teaspoons of flour, a little bit of salt, not too much. Mix.
I'm going to put it on the fire, turn the fire on.
2 cups of milk.
Put some milk in.
You're just going to want to stir it in and keep it from sticking to the bottom. Bring it to a boil, quick boil, just so it mixes in.
Blend up the strawberries. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend. How long? Until when?
Yeah, blend.
No! Don't be cheeky. He's trying to be cheeky, people. So, we added our dry and wet ingredients, and we're gonna keep stirring and stirring just till you get to a boil, and then you take it off the fire. What do we do next?
Next, we add it into the ice cream maker itself.
So we're gonna come all the way over here. We're gonna put it in the ice cream maker, or part of it. Look at all that steam. Okay.
Next, you would add the cream, heavy whipping cream. As you can see, and we just add the whole thing.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Okay. Oh, he's so messy. There we go.
Now we've cooled it off a little bit. You can add the vanilla so you didn't steam it off and lose any of the flavor.
I think it's still hot.
1, 2, 3. 1 just in case, another one.
4 corks, I guess, of vanilla.
Caps.
4 caps of vanilla.
It has a line on the side here, and you just fill it up to the line with milk.
Fill it up to where's the line?
The line is right there.
I can't see.
Right
Show
here
me.
on the outside.
Oh. Ah. So you fill it up to max?
You fill it to the max.
And you fill it up to the max on the line on that thing.
And then you stop. About all of that. Because if you don't, it's not going to last. So wait.
So he forgot to put the strawberries in. So we
Live.
real time. So he's got to dump some out. And then
Add the strawberries. A quart of strawberries that has been blended somewhat so the chunks aren't too big, so they don't make a mess in the side of the ice cream maker as it's turning. It won't clog up.
so, are you still gonna fill it up to that line again?
Yes, if it's not up to the line already.
Okay. So we got it. We got this, right?
There we go. That's done.
Fill it up to the line, or is it at the line?
Yep.
Okay. So now we are going to make our way outside in the blizzard.
Bomb blizzard
Bomb blizzard of
2018.
Of 2000. Is that what they calling it?
That's what they're calling it.
We're gonna make our way outside. Look at this. We're gonna go outside into the barn to make the ice cream. We are making our way to the barn in a blizzard. Why are we making ice cream in a blizzard? I got my muck boots on. Why? Why? Just for some strawberry ice cream. Why? Why? Ah! Ah! It's gotta be done. So we're setting up the ice cream machine. We put this container, we place the container in the middle of this bucket here, and we add in, what's that, salt?
This is rock salt.
Rock salt.
Adding some water.
Gonna add some water.
To start it. Now snow.
We're gonna add some snow. Don't let the leaves in there. And how long do we leave it for?
You also have to mix it.
Mix, mix, mix. We're gonna put more snow in.
Oh yeah. Gotta keep adding snow as needed.
Gonna put some more snow. Then what we do after that? Just wait?
Yes, wait.
Okay. He has come back inside. Here we have our ice cream. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at those strawberries. Ah! So good. And that's how you make strawberry ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Just stir it up a little bit. Let me see. Please. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.